Hi friends, today we are going to solve the lead code problem number 424, which is longest repeating character replacement. You are given a string s and an integer k. You can choose any character of the string and change it to any uppercase English character. You can perform this operation at most k times. Return the length of the longest substring containing the same letter you can get after performing the above operation. In this question we have given a string s and we can perform operation in this. The operation states that we can choose any character in a string and convert it to any other character, and we can such that, and in we have to make a substring which contains the only single character, same character, which contains same character in the substring, and the length of the substring should be maximum or longest. This we have to bring from this. So as an example, first string is equal to ab and k equal to 2. So we can convert b to a and b to a, then our string substring will look like a, which is the longest length here. In example 2, k equal to 1, if we convert this b to a, then our substring length is equal to 4, which is maximum. Or if we convert this b to a, then our length will be 2. So we have to try these operations and bring out the maximum substring length containing the same character. So how we can approach this problem? We will be using the sliding window approach in this. We'll be taking two pointers, one is I and another is j. Then we'll be iterating on the string and storing the character frequency. Also we will take one map for storing the frequency of the character appearing in the string as, and from the map we will select out the maximum frequency of a character, so that we it will help us to get the uh, window, like it will help us to get our substring of substring following the condition character plus k plus k distinct character, so that we can make our substring containing the unique same characters. This, so in, like at each step we will store the character frequency in our map, and we will check if, is we will check if, like each at each step we will store the character frequency in our map, and we'll be bringing out the length of the substring from this. If the condition not satisfy, then we will move the ith pointer towards jth to get our condition, and the condition will be j condition will be j minus I plus max count if this, if the condition not satisfies equal to a, then we will calculate our answer. Otherwise we will shrink the window, means bringing I towards the j. This is how our approach will look like. And let us try run on the example. Suppose our map will be here, and a will come, then a frequency we will take map comma max count, storing the frequency of each character. A comes, then frequency equal to 1 and max count equal to 1. And also we will calculate the answer, as this can be also our window, like substring containing the single same characters. So here our answer equal to 1. Now when it comes to b, then our map will look like this: a1 b1. Now here max count will be still 1, and our we will check the window size. If is the window like is the substring following these conditions, it has same character and k more characters. So yes, here we can take this. So this will also be a substring, and we will be storing our answer equal to 1. When it comes here, when it comes here, so map will look like a equal to 2 and b equal to b frequency is 1, so max will be 2. Now we will calculate j minus I minus max count. If this is equal to k, then yes we can. If this is less than or equal to k, then yes we can, uh, we are getting our substring and we will be calculating the answer from this. Answer equal to j minus I plus 1 equal to length. Here also this is how our approach look like. Now let's try run this on this example. So here, if we come our map will, suppose initially our I and j is at 0, and we will be moving j towards n and I for shrinking the window to get our substring. Now when it comes here, map will a frequency equal to 1, and we are, the condition is satisfying, means our substring is containing the unique character, and here we will storing answer equal to length, which is 1. Then when it comes here, eighth count frequency equal to 2, still we are satisfying, then our answer will be 2. When it comes here, it will look like b frequency equal to 1, and still max will be this. So here also our we are getting our substring, substring window, substring string, satisfying the condition. So here also our length will be 3. We are calculating the length using the j minus I plus 1. Similarly here, if comes a 3, now here we get 4, k equal to 1. Now when comes here, then b equal to 2, and we will check here, j minus I minus max greater than, if it is greater than, if it is greater than k, then we will shrink our window. That's how it is our approach will look like. Now let us code this, and s equal to ngth. Okay, I have written down the code. Let's write this here. This is how our code will look like. Let me explain it. So here we are taking one map for storing the character frequency and our max count, storing the particular character at jth bringing out the count of the character occurring at jth index. So while j less than n, we will be storing this in our map and storing max count also. If if the condition is not satisfying, then we will shrink the window, and if map of si equal to 0, then we will erase it from the map, and at each step we will be calculating our answer as a substring window. This is